Egg with eyes?
No, Orbit, it's an alien baby. How adorable. Where did it come from? Oh, so cute.
Comet, maybe we shouldn't take it. We have no idea what it is.
No, I'm gonna take care of it. Poor thing, it's all alone. I'm gonna call you Mr. Slimy.
Look! Comet, I think the alien baby's about to hatch.
He's like the cutest little squishy thing ever.
Danger! Danger! Looks like our ship's taking a hit.
Comet, he's smashing the screens. We've got to get him back to his planet before we're all toast.